What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a minute. Your girl was not feeling good. My voice is still a little nasally. I'm up, I'm feeling better, got a slight headache, but I need to get back into work. I need to get back to filming, back on YouTube. Since I've been like bedridden for the past few days, it's time for a little reset. Hair is just like, ugh. I need to do my hair, clean my place. Let's get moving. First, I'm actually just gonna go to Starbucks and get me some coffee. Yeah, let's get started. First, let me pull out my sheets and get those in the washer. I just realized that there's a couple things that I need from Target. I'm gonna go to the Starbucks in Target. I need sunscreen and just a few hair products, and we're gonna try to stick to that because Target will get you. It will get you. I wish this was the Target that had an Ulta in it. Do they have good molecules in here? Okay, maybe I'll try the one from Bliss. I'll try this one. Like nothing here. All right, hair stuff. At Strength and Restore. Shea Moisture, hair mask, frizz-free mousse. Psoriasis and my scalp has really been acting up, so I need to switch up my shampoo. And there's a brand that I found online. It's supposed to be really, really good, so let's see if I can find it. I'm good. Can I get a grande iced almond milk latte with 2 pumps of sugar-free vanilla, 1 pump of toffee nut, and 1 pump of white mocha. And also a ham and Swiss croissant. All right, goods secured. Now it's time to go home and get the rest of the day started. I only spent $100 at Target, so, you know, we did good. We did good. I did not stray from the skincare and hair care. Try the Mielle hair milk moisturizer, so we're gonna try that. And then I also did pick up some hair gel, so I got the defining styling gel from Shea Moisture. And then I found this anti-dandruff. This brand is supposed to be good for like scalp psoriasis and stuff like that, so we're gonna test it out. And then I got my iced almond milk latte and a ham and cheese croissant. Should I be having cheese? No, I'm gonna have it anyway. Yes. Ooh, they did good. Okay, so just got out the shower, washed my hair with that shampoo. It was pretty drying, like super dry. So I put in my deep conditioner. I usually just like put in my deep conditioner and just kind of chill in the shower, let the steam go, and you know, do the rest of my like shower routine. But we're sitting under the steamer. Okay, so I'll put that on, but first I'm gonna do my skincare routine, and then we're gonna sit under the dryer for about like 10 minutes or so, and then I'm gonna wash it out and do my hair. Let's get into the skincare routine. I put on a lot of sunscreen on accident, and I'm a little gray. I'm not sure if it's picking up on camera, but let's see how it settles in. But it feels super lightweight. I use mineral sunscreens because I am acne prone and my skin is super sensitive. So mineral sunscreens always tend to have like that purpley grayish tint. I have some Korean skincare ones that I prefer, which I ordered online. They haven't come in yet, so that's why I just needed to pick up something quick. So this is my first time trying the Bliss one. We'll see how that goes. And then throughout the day, I'll use my Super glow stick, and I'll just, because you should be reapplying your sunscreen, okay? Especially if you suffer from hyperpigmentation like I do. Having to wipe off a lot of that sunscreen because like you can see the white right there. Yeah, she wasn't blending, so we'll be returning that. I wiped that off and I just put on my sunscreen, like the stick. And so yeah, well, I'll try to wipe off as much as I can, but not too much because I didn't want to take all the skincare that I put on with it. So I just did a little pat and then put my other sunscreen on top. So hopefully I don't look too ghostly. But I'm real shiny. She's shiny. So my hair is like 50% dry, not completely dry, but 50%. And I'm gonna let it pretty much dry most of the way on its own. But for the time being, I'm gonna start cleaning the kitchen. We have someone that's here right now that's getting ready to mount our TVs. So I'm gonna obviously play music over this part because it'll be a lot of noise going on right now. So let's get to cleaning.
East Coast always in me, Commonwealth, Lil Jon, getting love from my city. Yeah. I roll call for the DMV. In my own lane, you could still ride with me. Yeah.
Lord knows I made mistakes.
You want in, but it's too late.
I don't need your support just to know I'm important.
I won't ever sell myself short, cause I know you'll see me on the come up. Big girl with big dreams and big drip. Talk is cheap, but please dare me to run up. I'ma put my money where my mouth is. Talk a good game, I'm my alphabet. Even on my worst days, still an alphabet. Standing next to me, you gotta be an alphabet. 8 ball in your pocket, I'm your alphabet. Alphabet, baby.
Never really fit in, always felt like an alien.
I be in my own space of mine, making boss moves in my own time, and I
Write my own rhymes.
find me all alone. I'm on the road. I had to take a couple hits, a couple stones, but targets I don't ever miss. They wanna
It's
know.
not to be me.
Let me give you this game for free. Know you see me on the come up. Big girl with big dreams and big drip. Talk is cheap, but please dare me to run up. I'ma put my money where my mouth is. Talk a good game, I'm my alpha.
my hair out. Oh my god. Huh? I am filming. We're both filming at the same time. I never really like my hair on day 1. Is day like 2 and 3 when it starts to like get all fluffy and like really come together. Day 1 is okay. Shiny though. I don't know if you can tell on camera. Since I dyed my hair black, I will never go back to my natural brown. Never again. The front pieces always want to give me a hard time. These guys right here. These two in the front. We're gonna have to redo those. Okay. This is what she's currently looking like. It's gonna get a lot fluffier and like, I don't know, it just starts to change. Some curls start to pop out a little bit better. So this is what we're working with for now. I am back with some groceries. So let's do a quick little haul. I'll probably shoot a full day of eating tomorrow, now that I think about it. So I'm not sure which video will be out first, this one or that one. But I went to Whole Foods and I went to H-E-B. At Whole Foods, I got my sourdough. I always get the low sliced. They didn't have the regular one this time, so I had to get the rosemary, but which is fine because the way I'm gonna use it. So rosemary, sourdough. I got some of these non-GMO corn tortillas. These you can get in like the refrigerator section at Whole Foods. They're really good. Then I got some Kite Hill Greek style yogurt. And I got some beef bacon. Now let's run through H-E-B. So if you need a little sweet treat, these Drizzlicious little rice cake things are so good. And the serving size is like 21 of these things. I like the cinnamon swirl. So I got 2 of those. And then I got some regular rice cake just so I can lightly salt it. Have this before the gym. In the morning, some spinach. I got this little fruit bowl. We just got some strawberries, pineapples, mangoes, and then like some berries and kiwis. I love all fruit and I don't want to just buy a whole bunch of fruit. That's gonna go bad. So preferably the little food bowl. Green onion, cucumber, some frozen carrots, and then I got a yellow onion and a tomato. Got Tehran, some orange juice. I got some honey, bananas. I got some yellow dragon fruit. I got 3 of these. I've been having trouble going to the bathroom lately, and I heard the dragon fruit, all the seeds, the fiber clear you out. So, and then I got some chicken thighs. We already have some steak in the refrigerator. We have eggs and we have turkey bacon, which Tehran picked up the other day at Costco. And then I already have frozen rice from Trader Joe's in the freezer and frozen broccoli. And then, yeah, and so that's pretty much what else that I have already. So stay tuned for the full day of eating and you'll see me put all of this to work. All right, so I'm just sitting here chilling. Tehran took off and he went to the little Alphalete little party thing going on. I was supposed to go, but I didn't want to. This is my, this is my reset, okay? My place is clean. Sheets clean, body, hair clean. So I did not want to do anything. I'm about to order some Chick-fil-A. And plus it's a Sunday reset. On days you go grocery shopping, you don't be eating at home anyway. So get sides, a small mac and cheese. Y'all see how I be doing myself? I really just be eating dairy like girl, dang well. Dairy that often, but I be paying for it. My stomach be hurting. A small fry. I'm gonna get some nuggets. Oh shit, I got hella points on here. Let me find out my meal about to be free. Ah! My order right now is $3. Oh, I got a small mac and cheese, the 5-piece little nuggets, and a small waffle fry. And right now, the only thing I'm paying for is the nuggets. I didn't even know I had all these points. I mean, I don't eat Chick-fil-A that often. Okay, let's go pick this up. The goods have been secured. Take our fries, just small little fries. Dump that in there. Take our mac and cheese, little mac. Put that in there too. Take our little nuggets, and then I just kind of break it up into a couple small pieces. Top it off with some sweet and spicy sriracha. And that is the meal. I'm gonna eat this and drink lots and lots of water and take a digestive enzyme because I'm gonna need it. And then I'm gonna just cuddle up on this couch, and that is all. That is a wrap. If you guys wanna check it out, and I will see you guys in the next video.